Today we're gonna talk about basic things. That's about the Halloween. Talking about the Halloween, it- it's a one of agenda relates to Christian faith, especially in abroad. October 31st is a Halloween and is now celebrated in many countries around the world. But do you know anything about origin of the scary special day? Apakah kamu tahu tentang segala sesuatu dari keaslian daripada horornya, betapa menakutnya hari yang spesial ini? Do you ever know or do you ever heard about the history or origin history of Halloween itself? Pernah dengar? Everybody?
Never, never.
You
Belum
never.
pernah.
You never. Okay. What's the best custom idea for this event? Kostum terbaik untuk event ini apa sih? Perhaps we commonly do on August ya. Especially when we celebrate Independence Day, people try to use the custom of local ghosts, pocong, genderuwo, and others. It might be different. It may be different from abroad. Yes. What kind of ghost is the scariest one, Nana? Apa sih hantu yang sangat menakutkan menurut kamu?
Yeah, I think in Indonesia is pocong.
Why do you say? Why?
Yeah,
Pocong
because
the
just
scariest one?
make me too scary. Then Dracula, vampire.
Do you think Dracula and vampire are too tidy? Apakah terlalu rapi?
Yes.
And what about you, brother Faisal? What kind of ghost is the scariest one? What kind of ghost is scariest?
Pumpkin head ya.
Pumpkin head? Oh, kepala ini labu ya?
Yeah, it's usually show every October maybe.
Okay. Mia,
Yes.
what do you think? What do you think about the scariest ghost?
I think the Indonesian ghost is very scary than another country because it's relate with our culture, with our habits. So that I think is very scary than another country.
I think so. Yeah, mostly Indonesian are scary. Yeah,
Yes.
Indonesian ghost. Yeah, local ghost. Yeah.
Yes.
Brother Tariq, hello brother Tariq. What is the scariest ghost you think? Itu yang paling
Pardon me?
menakutkan apa sih? What's the scariest ghost on your mind?
Maybe just simply ghost. Simply a nightmare like that.
Okay.
Yeah, like a ghost.
What about you, Sally? What is the scariest ghost you think? Menurutmu hantu yang paling menakutkan itu apa sih, Sally? Are you busy, Sally? Okay, Sulastri maybe.
Yeah, sir. Vampire from China because vampires
Vampire is
from China.
Is vampire is a scariest one?
Yeah.
Why do you think vampire is the scariest? Because vampire can bite everyone. As the movie we watch. This Ellie, what's the scariest one? The scariest ghost you think?
I think I remember it's my city.
Mm-hmm.
In my city, long time ago, it is name. If is it in my city say pok pok.
What?
Pok pok. She just have head and.
Oh, okay. Like in
kepala dan apa isi perut itu loh.
Kuyang, kuyang.
Oh, kuyang. Yes,
Yeah.
maybe.
Ya, Borneo is call it kuyang ya. Orang-orang Kalimantan
Kuyang Express.
Because I remember, Yes, this is real for me the last time.
There is our transportation in Kalimantan, Kuyang Express.
Okay, okay, thank you, Cicely. And then Ripka, what kind of ghost is the scariest one? I mean, what is the scariest ghost on your mind? Hantu yang paling menakutkan ya apa sih yang ada dalam pikiran Anda?
Maybe pocong.
Why you think Pochi is the most scariest?
Because Pochi is looks so ugly. Don't like to see it.
Okay, then Andika, what kind of ghost is the scariest?
Nothing can scares me.
Nothing can scare me. No ghost ya, nggak satu hantu pun ya.
Because
That you have
he's
in a
also
bravery.
hantu.
Okay, Ravi. Hello, Ravi. Thank you, my bro. Ravi, hello. What is the scariest ghost you think?
Ini siapa yang naruh?
Hello, Ravi. Okay, Brother Simso. Hello, Brother Simso. Good morning. How are you today?
Hello, good morning, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
today
good,
we-
thank you.
Okay. What's
Sorry
the
for didn't
scariest-
join the class for I think for 3 days,
It's
but
okay.
I have watched the recorded video.
Okay, okay. What do you think about the scariest ghost?
I think there is no scary ghost for me.
Hmm,
Sorry,
okay, okay,
because
okay.
because that's my faith.
I see.
I have
And
okay.
yeah, I agree strongly. Yeah. And everybody must have a fear. Setiap orang pasti memiliki ketakutan. Ya. You know ketakutan, right, guys?
Yes.
Fear itu
Okay.
ketakutan ya. Not only from the ghost, but also from another side ya. Dari sisi lain ya. Maybe from broken heart, maybe from
Like don't have money.
yeah, from not having money, from the hate ya, dari ketinggian or others ya. What is the biggest fear you had in your life, Brother Sinto? What is the bigger fear you have in life?
I think the bigger fear is the biggest fear is from the high place. So I dare not to climb the high tree. Do you understand?
Oh, yeah. And you can ask one of your friends about asking about the biggest fear.
Okay. Maybe Torik.
Torik, okay.
Hello, Torik. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Okay. What is the biggest fear you have?
The biggest fear I have, well, it's just having nightmare. Sometimes, like when I see something scary, the scary I just saw will be in my dream. Yeah, like that.
Okay, I see. So if you dream something scary, what did you do?
Pardon me, I cannot really hear. Hello?
Sorry, if you dream something scary, what did you do? Are you like pray or others?
Well, about that, one, I cannot move, so I cannot do anything sometimes. Two, if I had a nightmare, it always ended up jump scaring me, and then I woke up.
Okay, I see. Hey, thank you, bro.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Would you like to choose one of your friend, bro? Tunjuk temannya satu and ask the biggest fear that your friends have.
Who is not done? Who's done yang udah dipanggil tadi siapa aja? Symptoms.
The only Brother Symptom for the biggest fear.
Oh.
Hanya Brother Symptoms, yang lain semuanya belum.
Nana. I call Nana.
Yeah, hello.
So what's your biggest fear of your life? Yes.
I think my biggest fear is caterpillar.
Pardon?
Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Oh, yeah.
When I touch caterpillar, I'm so scary.
Yeah.
And also lizard.
Oh, lizard. Yeah. Mm.
Yang
Okay, that's your biggest
lizard
fear.
on the wall.
Oh, yeah. It's like cicak or something.
Yeah, lizard.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Mm-mm.
Now, yeah, you can choose another one.
Okay, choose another one, please.
How about Cisnia?
This, yes.
Cisnia, what is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is like same about our topic. I very scary about. I'm very afraid about ghosts.
Mm.
Yeah, but the last time I watch a horror movie when I in a university, um, that makes me very afraid. So until now, I never watched
Make
the
me
horror movies. Yes.
make you imagine
Yeah,
about the
yeah,
ghost
yeah. If I'm being
when
alone
you do
and
something or you alone.
yes, you're right. You're right. So I never watch the horror movies after that.
Yeah.
Correct.
You can choose another person, Cisnia.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Mana itu Brozen? There's nothing Brozen here. Okay, Sally, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear. Do you know? Of course, a mother fear because I a mother.
Like what?
When I'm old and my
Mhm.
children still cannot live life independently. Yeah.
They cannot survive without you, something like that.
Yes. Uh,
Yes,
yes.
that make you very worry about them.
So now I try to teach my kids how to hard work, how to do anything himself.
Yeah, it's good. It's good for you. Okay, Sis Ellie, you can choose the another one.
Okay, I choose. Faisal, okay? Rafi.
Okay, I'm here, Faisal.
Oh, okay, Faisal. How about you?
What the question? Please. What the question?
What is the biggest fear?
Shakespeare? Biggest fear?
Yeah.
In my I have so far I have not seen the ghost directly, and I hope I don't want to see him. There is we must to do before, and usually that the ghost or ghosts come to into our dream through in the night.
So you just so you just curious about ghosts? How about your life?
So before we go to sleep, we have to clean around our bed, and before that, as religion people, of course in Indonesia commonly we must pray before we get to sleep, and our pray can pretend the evil when we asleep, and we get up and or we wake up, and also we always pray. And the key is we have to pray every time before we eat or before after we eat or drink something. We have to pray before do something. I think maybe that's my opinion about my biggest fear in my life. Ellie Sugiyarti in China, yeah. China.
Yes, in China. Okay, you can choose other person.
Okay, I try to miss. Udah semua ya?
No,
Mr.
you
Bambang.
can choose Raffi maybe.
Temennya satu.
Surastri.
My friend not answer.
Lastly, already.
This is ready, bro.
You try Raffi. You try Raffi.
Raffi Ahmad. Are you
No,
there?
this is girl. Do you know?
Mana pertanyaan bahasa Inggrisnya tadi?
Bro Raffi.
What is the biggest fear? What is the biggest fear you have in your life?
Your life.
Apa ketakutan terbesarmu dalam hidup ini? Oke, nanti bisa tanyakan ke temen ya. Sekarang kita ke diskusi dulu karena waktunya udah tiba-tiba 10:30 aja. Horor. Itu lebih horor ya, cepat sekali waktu. Match the words with the definition. Coba kita pasang-pasangkan dengan definisi di bawah ini ya. Clothes, special clothes to dress up a character or thing. Kira-kira apa ini?
Fancy dress.
Fancy
Dress.
Oke. Fancy dress ya. Ini fancy dress. To accept or start something new.
To adopt.
To adopt. Something people have done.
To tradition.
Yang sudah dilakukan apa?
Jangka waktu yang lama.
Coba tradition. Ya, done for a long time. When fruit, vegetable taken from the tree's ground.
Harvest.
Panen. To cut the picture, letter, surface. To cut a picture or letter in a surface.
To carve.
To carve.
Di apa? Carve itu apa? Dipahat gitu ya. Something that happens to you when you do something wrong or bad.
Punishment.
Punishment. A woman who can do magic.
Witch.
Which itu apa sih? Sihir. Makes money for companies. Commercial. Ya. Lanjut lagi di sini ada bacaan, baca sendiri-sendiri aja ya. If you think of Halloween, you probably think it's scary cars, pumpkins, and all kinds of fancy dress and children asking for sweet. Sweet itu bisa juga bermakna
Manisan.
manisan atau permen. Ya. And if you think of a country that celebrates Halloween, you probably think of the United States first. Americans, Canadians have adopted Halloween a big way. But Halloween tradition actually come from 16th century Ireland. Jadi Halloween ini sebenarnya adalah tradisi yang datangnya di abad ke-16 di Irlandia, Skotlandia, and England. Bukan dari Amerika ya. The tradition and Halloween 31st December comes from the Ancient Celtic Festival. Ancient Celtic itu apa sih? Inggris lama ini, Celtic. Samhain, yeah. Samhain was the Celtic New Year, and they celebrate it on the 1st November because that was the end of summer and harvest time. Harvest time itu live ya, and the beginning of winter. That it was also a time for ghosts to return to earth for a day. Jadi diyakini bahwasanya 1 November ya. itu adalah akhir dari musim panas ya, dan musim panen, dan di awal musim dingin ya. Itu also time for God to return to the earth for a day. Itu adalah hari di mana hantu-hantu itu datang ke bumi dalam sehari. People lit a big fire. Orang-orang mencoba menyalakan api yang besar. Wore special clothes made of animal skins and hope to be safe from the dust and the winter. Orang-orang menyalakan api besar dan baju-baju spesial yang terbuat dari kulit hewan. Mereka berharap agar mereka aman dari hantu-hantu dan musim dingin. In AD 609, the Catholic Church, apa itu artinya? Hello?
Gereja Katolik.
In AD 609.
Nggak tahu. I don't know. What is
Ada yang
that?
pernah dengar AD? Kalau BC kan before century ya.
Sebelum Masehi ya.
Apa?
Setelah Masehi. Masehi.
Kalau AD itu apa? Dalam bahasa Kristen itu setelah kelahiran Yesus.
After apa ya?
Ya, itu Masehi.
Masehi umumnya ya. Di tahun setelah kelahiran Yesus atau Masehi, AD 609, the Catholic Church, Gereja Katolik, put the Christian celebration, meletakkan acara-acara di Kristen, All Saints Day on 1st November. All Saints Day itu hari Ruh ya. In 80,000 ya, di tahun 1000-an ya, sebelum Masehi ya. Tahun 1000, the church added the Souls Day, hari itu juga, 1 November. All Hallows Eve, dan malam Halloween atau di pas Halloween-nya move to the night of the 31st. Dari situlah acara-acara itu digabung ya, dipindah di malam Halloween gitu ya. Yang mungkin ada sesuatu ya, kayak kenapa Islam itu harus lebarannya setelah puasa dulu dan seterusnya, kan pasti ada sejarahnya. Pumpkins, the cells carve faces into the vegetables like turnip, potatoes, and squash. Squash itu jenisnya pumpkin juga. Suku Celtic mengukir wajah-wajah di setiap vegetables itu apa?
Sayur-sayuran.
Sayur-sayuran like turnip, potatoes, squash, like labu ya. To scare ghosts and other spirits to make them go away. Untuk menakut-nakuti hantu dan roh-roh yang datang ke bumi pada waktu sehari tadi, agar mereka itu takut dan pergi dari bumi. It was sometimes called Jack-O. Kadang-kadang itu juga disebut Jack's O Lanterns, because of an Irish story about a man, Jack. Karena ceritanya dari Irlandia tentang seorang laki-laki yang namanya Jack. He played trick on the devil and he had to work on the earth all the time as a punishment. Dia memainkan perannya menjadi iblis yang mana bergentayangan di bumi menjalani hukumannya. Irish people who came to live in the United States, came to live in the United States in the 1800s. Orang-orang Irlandia yang datang dan tinggal di Amerika Serikat di 1800-an menemukan pumpkin, labu, much easier to care, lebih mudah untuk diukir. And tradition became the one what we see today. Dan tradisinya adalah yang kita lihat saat ini. Fancy dress, their faces with a mask. Wajah-wajah mereka yang ada topeng. They hope any ghosts they meet would think they were ghosts too and would leave them alone. Mereka berharap bahwasanya hantu-hantu itu yang bertemu dengan mereka, yang mereka temui, berpikir bahwasanya orang-orang yang topeng itu hantu juga dan meninggalkan mereka sendirian. Di Amerika, Native Americans in the first European celebrated the end of the harvest. Orang-orang Amerika asli dan Eropa merayakan apa di akhir dari musim panen, but not Halloween. Itu bukan Halloween. When Irish people arrive, ketika orang-orang Irlandia tiba, the harvest festival start to look like more Halloween. It become popular across the country. Tapi musim apa ini? Di Harvest Festival, acara-acara panen raya mulai terlihat seperti Halloween, yang mana di situ terkenal di setiap negara. In the late of 19th centuries, di akhir abad 19, people try to make Halloween less about cause and religion, and more about celebrating season with the party, neighbors, and family. Dan orang-orang di abad ke-19 ya, orang-orang mencoba membuat Halloween ini sendiri lebih berkurang tentang hantu-hantuan atau yang sifatnya agamis ya, dan lebih tentang merayakan season atau musim dengan pesta-pesta dengan keluarga tetangga. That's why Americans today wear a kind of Halloween costumes and just carry things like witches, ghosts, and other countries, like in other countries. Maka dari itu orang-orang Amerika hari ini mengenakan pakaian-pakaian Halloween tidak hanya perihal tentang sihir, hantu-hantuan, atau mungkin seperti negara-negara lain. Like trick or treat. This is another tradition that begins in Europe. Yang mana ini tradisi mulai di Eropa.
Dari Eropa ya. Mulai dari Eropa.
This time in England. Saat ini di Inggris. Apa itu? Lanjutkan, sis. Bentar ada chat. Silahkan lanjutkan, siapa, si Sulastri mungkin atau sis Nina? Trick or treat, coba.
Dibaca, Sir?
Ya, silakan.
This is another traditional the British Europa. This time was one in the course interest also they before people so cats small cats mother with special entrance is the cats runner of the food the outside homes they got going to solve was before in the earth for understand of theirs and about the 1930 begecanya gimana, Sir?
1930s.
Di Amerika.
1930-an.
1930s. The America, the trade is popular that against of the sweet for the year in the that is their soul for this one day. Ini adalah tradisi bermula dari Eropa, kali ini di Inggris. Ketika gereja memperkenalkan hari raya arwah, di Katolik biasa ya, Sir, arwah, orang-orang kaya memberikan kue arwah kepada orang-orang yang miskin. Kue kecil dibuat dengan rempah-rempah dan kismis tradisi ini.
Itu apa? Kismis,
kue, rempah dan kismis. Tradisi ini menggantikan tradisi apa?
Inggris.
Tradisi Inggris ya, tradisi Inggris yang meninggalkan makanan di luar rumah untuk
going shopping,
sajian untuk para arwah. Pergi mencari arwah, ya. Populer di Inggris selama ratusan tahun hingga sekitar tahun 1930-an. Ya. Orang Amerika mempertahankan
atau menjaga tradisi itu.
Menjaga tradisi ini. Tradisi itu. Tetapi sekarang anak-anak mengetuk rumah orang dan meminta permen. Jadi meminta permen kepada orang lain sangatlah populer sehingga tahun ini di Amerika Serikat dijual untuk hari ini.
Ya, going trick or treat itu apa sih?
Berikan trik atau kok nggak permen.
Maksudnya kamu minta trik atau meminta permen atau meminta hadiah gitu ya. The rest of the world, Halloween has become United States' second biggest commercial festival after Christmas. Halloween telah menjadi festival terbesar acara kedua setelah hari Natal. Halloween also celebrated in the countries. Halloween juga dirayakan di negara-negara lain ya, maksudnya. But it is not as big as United States. Tapi tidak besar seperti di
Amerika ya.
Even the countries where the tradition began, meskipun negara-negara di mana tradisi itu dimulai. Mexico celebrated the day of the death of 31st October to 2nd November and some its tradition. Jadi mulai tanggal 31 sampai tanggal 2 November itu dirayakan. Oktober 31 sampai tanggal 2 itu 3 harian. 2 harian. Kalau 31 berarti ya 3 harian.
3 ya.
Like giving a gift of sugar coat, memberikan gula-gula tengkorak, are starting to mix with the Halloween, mulai dicampur dengan Halloween. In this way, celebration of Halloween continues to change as new tradition to join the older Celtic ones. Perayaan dari Halloween ini mulai berubah seperti tradisi baru dan mengikuti join the oldest, mengikuti acara lama dari orang-orang Celtic Inggris lama. Aslinya kan dari Celtic dia. Kayak yasinan, mungkin pernah dengar yasinan ya?
Pernah.
Hah? Pernah dengar yasinan nggak?
Baca surat Yasin ya, tiap malam Jumat.
Iya, pernah dengar. Aslinya nggak gitu. Awalnya adalah dari halo. Jadi awalnya adalah dari suku Jawa kuno, yaitu Hindu Jawa yang menganut Tantra Bhairava, that follows the teaching from Tantra Bhairava or Bhairava Tantra, because the sites has already found in Kediri, ya, situsnya ditemukan di Kediri, and there must be some dedication that makes one who life, orang yang hidup disajikan di situ, and now becomes different ya, and this is the acculturation, kulturasi budaya. Coba the tradition, the correct the tradition, modern tradition to the past tradition or tradition and past modern. Kira-kira yang mana nih? Going Shaolin ini
which one, bro?
Past tradition or modern tradition?
Going on Seoul. Modern. Past tradition.
Kira-kira yang mana maksudnya ini?
Modern.
Modern, okay. Going trick or treating?
Modern.
Modern. Wearing fancy dress?
Pas.
Carving pumpkin?
Pas.
Celebrating with friends or family?
Both.
Both ya? Ini sekarang. Scaring ghosts and spirit away?
Pas.
Karena saya tadi masuk telat ya teman-teman, itu ada pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang berkaitan tentang tentang Halloween ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa berdiskusi, saya kasih tambahan waktu. What is the Halloween when it's celebrated dan seterusnya. Mungkin ada yang ditanyakan sebelum kita lakukan breakout.